Good morning. Today we will see about transport protein. First we will see about what is iron sulfur protein. Iron sulfur protein are a group of protein that contain clusters of iron and sulfur atoms which are crucial for various biological functions. It has two types, rubidiroxine and ferridoxine. First, we will see about what is rubidiroxine. Rubidiroxine is a non-heme iron sulfur protein. It participates redox reaction, especially in anaerobic bacteria. Example, bacterial rubidiroxine. It consists of a single peptide chain of 53 amino acid residues. The single ion is +3 oxidation state. The coordination is tetrahedral and surrounded by 4 sulfur atom of cysteine residue. Here sulfur atom in its are non-labile. This is the structure of the rubidiroxine. It is a non-heme protein, whereas hemoglobin and myoglobin are heme protein. In hemoglobin, myoglobin, iron atoms are in +2 oxidation state, whereas in rubidiroxine, iron atom is in +3 oxidation state. It has tetrahedral structure surrounded by 4 sulfur cysteine residues. It has +3 oxidation state and sulfur atoms are in non-labile. Then we will see about what is ferridoxine. Ferridoxine is a group of non-heme iron protein. It is involved in electron transfer, plants and bacteria. Its molecular weight is 6,000 to 12,000. It has three types. First Fe2S2, second Fe3S4, third is Fe4S4. First we will see what is Fe2S2. It is a plant ferridoxine. It acts as an one electron transfer agent. It has high spin with iron atom is in +3 oxidation state. It has two labile sulfur atom. It helps for photosynthesis in higher plants bridged structure. It is also called a photosynthetic ferridoxine. This is the structure of the Fe2S2. Here two sulfur atoms attached to bridged form, whereas remaining two sulfur atoms are attached like non-bridged form with sulfur cysteine residue. We see about what is Fe3S4. It contains Cuban structure. It has 4 labile sulfur atom. This is the structure of the Fe3S4 in which sulfur atom present in the middle of the Cuban-like structure and remaining sulfur atoms and iron atoms are present outer side of the Cuban structure in alternative form. Then iron atom is also attached with cysteine sulfur residue. Then next we will see about Fe4S4. It is found in certain bacteria. It has Cuban-like cluster of iron atoms, 4 labile sulfur atom with 4 cysteine sulfur residue ligand. This is the structure of the Fe4S4 in which in this structure iron atom and sulfur atoms are alternately present in Cuban-like form and this iron atom is also attached by cysteine sulfur residue. Next we will see about cytochrome. Cytochrome, it is a group of heme protein like that of hemoglobin and myoglobin. Here heme is a porphyrin ring chelated to one iron atom. Molecular weight is 12,400. It is electron carrier and electron transfer agent. In hemoglobin and myoglobin is also heme protein, but oxidation state of the ion is +2. Whereas in case of cytochrome, oxidation state of ion is either +2 or +3. In case of rubidoxine and ferridoxine, oxidation state of the ion is +3. Cytochrome has three types, that is cytochrome A, cytochrome B and cytochrome C. Cytochrome A, binding of O2 and reducing it, responsible for severe toxicity of Cn-. We will briefly see about what is cytochrome C. Cytochrome C is the one of the electron carrier and operate between Fe2 and Fe3. Here heme group is the polypeptide chain. This is the structure of the heme A, heme B and heme C. In case of cytochrome C, it is attached with the heme group with polypeptide chain. We will detailedly see what is cytochrome C oxidase. It is a terminal member of respiratory chain. It catalyzes 4 electron reduction of dioxygen. It has 2 copper side, that is copper A and copper B. One copper A and one heme in electron transfer process. Second copper B and other heme is involved in the reduction of O2 to H2O. This is the structure of the cytochrome C oxidase. Here central part is attacked by the iron atom. Iron atom is surrounded by 4 nitrogen atom of the pyrrole ring. Then we will see what is cytochrome P450. It is a large family of heme containing monooxygenase enzyme. P450 reduced form bind with CO to give absorption band at 450 nanometer in the UV. Cytochrome P450 found in humans, plants, bacteria and fungi. Next we will see what is catalase. Catalase, it is an enzyme molecule contain 4 iron atom with heme group. Here also iron atom is in +3 oxidation state. It is otherwise called as ferriprotoporphyrin complex. Molecular weight is 2,48,000. It catalyzes the decomposition of H2O2. It occurs in the mammalian tissue. It is used to eliminate H2O2 produced by the flavoprotein oxidase in the tissue. Here is the reaction, whereas harmful H2O2 is converted into harmless water and oxygen. This is the structure of the catalase, structure A and B. In B structure, whereas hydrogen peroxide is attached to the double bond. We will see about peroxidase enzyme. It is a metalloenzyme used for the oxidation of a variety of organic and inorganic substrate by H2O2. It breaks the peroxide bond. It is also known as peroxidase enzyme to convert harmful H2O2 into harmless water and O2. Iron atom has 2 open coordination sites. One side bind with the histidine residue and other bind with the hydrogen peroxide. It has 2 types, heme peroxidase and non-heme peroxidase. Catalytic cycle. Heme ion has vacant site, that is H2O2 bind to the iron reactive intermediate water and O2. This is the example of ion transport and storage, that is ferritin and transferrin. Ion transport example is a ferritin. Ferritin is the ion storage protein found in human, higher plants and animals. It has 24 protein subunit. Each subunit has 175 amino acid residue. Deficiency of iron leads to the anemia. Iron stored in protein in the form of FeOOH structure. In the iron core, there are 4,500 iron atoms are present. External ring is called as abuferritin. In iron core, Fe is present in the form of FeOOH and some phospho, oxo and hydroxo ligands also present. This is the structure of the ferritin. In this structure, core part contain iron atom with 4,500 and also some phospho, oxo and hydroxyl ligands are present. Outer part, that is external ring, is called as abuferritin. It is also contain 8 terminal hydrophilic channel. Through this channel, iron atoms are entered through the core part of the ferritin. 8 channels are present in which are in hydrophilic in nature. Through this 8 channel, every atom come into the core. Then next we will see about transferrin. Transferrin is involved the transport of iron bind with Fe, which is in +3 oxidation state. It involves transport of iron from stomach to transferrin. It contains 279 amino acids and 2 carbohydrates. Its binding affinity for Fe is +3 in transferrin is extremely high. This is the structure of the transferrin. This is a reaction take place in the transferrin, whereas transferrin is attached to the carbonic acid. Next, we will see about what is metalloenzyme superoxide dismutase. Dismutase means disproportional reaction, an enzyme that catalyzes the conversion of superoxide to molecular O2 and hydrogen peroxide. In SOT, it contains two metals, copper and zinc. Both copper and zinc are +2 oxidation state. Molecular weight is 16,000. Copper 2 is a distorted square pyramidal bonded to 4 histidine nitrogenous and water. It is functionalized the SOD, whereas CO2, that is zinc, is contain distorted tetrahedral. It is bonded to 3 histidine and aspartate carbonyl oxygen. It is stabilized the SOD. This is the structure of the metalloenzyme, that is superoxide dismutase. One side copper atoms are present, another side zinc metals are present. Both copper and zinc metals are joined by the imidazole ring, which is present in the middle of the structure. Then copper has a distorted square pyramidal, which is bonded to 4 histidine, nitrogen and water. Zinc is bonded to the 3 histidine and aspartate carbonyl oxygen. It is stabilized the COT, whereas copper 2 functionalized the SOT. Thank you.